Hi everyone, this is a question from SAT Algebra, and this looks like a tricky question, but we are going to solve it, understand it, and find a better method so that when you see this question in your SAT exam, you don't get confused, you don't get puzzled, you don't get stuck. What you get is a right answer. Let's read it. During a month, Morgan ran R miles at 5 miles per hour. Okay, so by reading that much, I can understand this is a distance, speed, and time question. R miles is the distance. 5 miles per hour is the speed. And biked B miles, again the distance. So he is running. Then there is bike, and the speed is okay. Let me make a small table. So here we write the distance, here we write the speed. The speed of run is 5 miles per hour, for bike is 10, and the distance for run is R miles, and the distance for bike is B miles. Okay, she ran and biked a total of 200. Okay, the total running and biking is 200 miles. So that's the total column, total row. That month, and she biked twice, biked for twice as many hours as she ran. Okay, so we need time also. Now, if the distance is r and the speed is 5, the time is going to be r by 5. Obviously, because let me tell you, distance is speed into time, and the time is distance upon speed. Anyway, so the time for biking is going to be b over 10. Now the information is she biked twice as many hours as she ran. So the biking hours is double. So I can write b by 10 equals to 2 times running hours, which is r by 5. Okay, what's the total number of miles that Morgan biked during the month? Okay, so we need to find b, and it's very important to write down what we need to find, because after you solve the question you get something and you really forget like what was asked. So you should write it separately, that we are asked to tell what is b, which is the number of miles Morgan biked. Okay, well, we have a few information. We need to find b. The first relationship between b and r is this. Let me simplify it. Okay, I can write b equals to 4r. That's my that's my conclusion from the first or the second information. The first information is that r plus b is 200. Now I need to find b, so I need to isolate r. The r is b over 4. You know what? Let's not go to fractions. Let's substitute b equals to 4r. So this is going to be 5r equals to 200. The r is going to be 40. But we don't want r, we want b. The b is 4 times of r, so 4 times of 40, that is 160. And since it's a distance, the answer is 160 miles. Okay, so how did we do this question? We did this question precisely, understanding all the information given to us, representing it into the given variables, using the correct formulas, and we did it step by step. No being stuck, no getting puzzled, no confusion, just being very clear on each step, being very clear of what we need to find, being very clear of what formula we need to use, and being very clear of what equations to make and how to solve them. Okay, I'll see you in another such video. Keep learning. I'll subscribe the channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.